Okay class, so in case I want to define my method outside the scope of the class, then I have to declare here only. So as I am declaring it only, so I will only write the semicolon. If there would be some parameters in the function, I will write those parameters as like this. Here I need not to write the name of the variables. I can only write the data types. That would be sufficient. So with the help, in case of parameters, you can provide the parameters in the parenthesis. Otherwise, just declare the method. Now in this case, if you are declaring any method in the class, you will define it outside the scope of the class. So how can you define it? You can define it with help of a scope resolution operator. Now scope resolution operator is used to define the methods declared in the class outside the boundary of the class, which I have told you to write. So now let's see how it does it. First of all, you have to write down the return type of the method, and then the name of the class, and then the method name, and then the parenthesis. So again, return type, class name, scope resolution, method name, parenthesis. So you can see this it can be done. So I am accepting A and B. And I can insert A. We have accepted the two values in A and B. So now we have to display I have already written down the statement. So here I want to display the sum of the two numbers. So I will add. Okay, now all I have to do is to create object class. And then call the methods. Look at switch. So you can see we can easily define our methods declared in the class outside the scope of the class with the help of bit operator, scope resolution operator. There will be a question in your MT on this within the 2 or 3 mark section. It will be from the C++. There will be only 3 questions from the C++ side. One of them will be on scope resolution operator. So it is very important and very critical one.